How to get old Discord layout? First of all, open any web browser on your device. Click on the search bar at top of the screen and type in discord.com. Press enter and you will land on this official interface of Discord. Click open Discord and sign into your account. Once you are on the home page of Discord, you simply need to click on user settings icon at bottom left corner of the screen. On this user settings page, scroll down and locate Advanced and open the option of Advanced. Ensure to toggle the button on of developer mode and you need to click on escape to escape from this section. So other thing what you need to follow is simply again go to the user settings page, but before that remember you need to close your Discord application for a while and reopen it. Now on this user settings page again scroll down and select appearance. When you have turned on the developer mode and restarted your Discord, then here you can easily get the option of getting the old Discord layout. But meanwhile, if you don't get those option, then what you need to do is open a new tab on your browser. And after that, you need to search for the old Discord layout and search for it. Once you have located the old Discord layout, you can easily open it and then you can easily or uninstall the new layout from your Discord and easily bring back the old layout. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, then hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.